The amazing spinning ATP motors in every cell. All cells need energy to carry out the work that they do. The source of all this energy, for muscles, nerves, etc., is provided by tiny revolving motors on the surface of the mitochondria in each cell. These minute motors are turned by hydrogen ions passing from the interior of the mitochondria into the cell. They have 6 alpha and beta cells that are squeezed by a bent axle. The beta cells take in adenosine diphosphate, ADP, and phosphoric acid that fits into a special part of the cell. They are squeezed together as the bent axle passes by to make adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which now has energy locked in it. As the ATP passes out, more ADP and phosphoric acid replaces them. The ATP leaves the cell and gives up its energy where it is needed by breaking down into ADP and phosphoric acid again, which are then recycled. The energy output from these tiny cells is phenomenal. The bent axle that rotates at 100 revolutions per second, that is 6,000 revs per minute. There can be 10 to the power of 16 rotors in the human body, all working at 100 revolutions per second. When the energy demand is high, the mill rotates faster, and if this activity level could be maintained, it would recycle 1 ton of ATP in 24 hours. Let us give some idea just how small these motors are. Imagine that we scale up a pinhead to be the diameter of Greater London, about 38 miles. The ATP motor at that scale would only be about 1 foot diameter and about 2 foot tall, and we can place them on the edge of a pinhead the size of London. The amazing thing about these minute yet phenomenally complicated rotating motors is that they are present in even the most simplest of multicelled organisms, such as the trilobite found in the Cambrian strata. So it could not have taken millions of years to evolve. Indeed, how could such a complicated mechanism have evolved in stages? It had to be right first time to work properly as needed. How could these incredibly complex mechanisms have possibly evolved in small stages over millions of years?